Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to fix Instagram call not working. So first one is just simply go to your Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom and go for the top on the search bar and search for Instagram. And when there is an update, guys, you should be able to see here update instead of open, and make sure to tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. And for the first solution is just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. Now, another one, if it still doesn't work, just simply go ahead and go to your settings. And from here, just simply scroll down and go ahead and go for the apps. And after that, just simply try to find Instagram over here and tap on it. And from here, guys, just simply tap on the storage. And from here, just simply tap on clear cache and just simply tap on clear data as well. And you should be able to fix the issue. Now, another one is just simply go back, and from here, just simply go for the permissions and make sure to go for the call logs over here and make sure to allow it, and go back and make sure to allow the others as well, like the contacts, the microphone, and the telephone over here as well. And you should be able to fix the issue. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See ya.